This is the Google Pixel 8 Pro, Google's 8th iteration of the Pixel, and it really is looking like this could be the device that puts Google's phone up there with the very best from every standpoint. Let's take a look. Unboxing the new Pixel 8 Pro in the stunning porcelain finish is such a clean experience from start to finish. As you lift the lid of the box, the phone is the first thing you'll lay eyes on. The porcelain finish exudes an elegant, premium feel, creating a sense of luxury. Pulling the device out, you're immediately struck by its sleek, minimalist design. It feels substantial yet refined in your hand, really showing off how far Google have come from a hardware standpoint. The accessories are neatly tucked below, including the charging cable and USB-C adapter. The unboxing experience of the Pixel 8 Pro really does set the stage for the exceptional design and innovation that awaits when you power up this impressive smartphone. The design of the Pixel 8 Pro is a captivating blend of form and function, offering both visual appeal and practicality. The porcelain finish on the back of the phone not only gives off a premium feel, but also sports a sleek matte texture. The matte finish is an excellent choice, not just for its aesthetics, but for its remarkable ability to conceal fingerprints and smudges effectively. It adds to the phone's sophistication while ensuring it remains pristine even after extended use. It's tough to explain, but the soft back makes this one of the nicest feeling smartphones I have used. The minimalist aesthetic is complemented by the precisely crafted edges, giving the Pixel 8 Pro a comfortable grip in the hand. With its refined look and practicality in mind, Google has succeeded in creating a device that not only feels premium, but stays effortlessly clean, enhancing the overall user experience. I have criticised Google in the past for not producing hardware that is able to compete with the likes of Apple and Samsung, but this is certainly not the case this year. The centerpiece of the Pixel 8 Pro's design is undoubtedly its 6.7-inch Super Actua Display, and it lives up to the hype in every way. This display has been praised online for its astonishing brightness, making it ideal for outdoor use even in direct sunlight, and this is definitely true. With vibrant colours and sharp contrasts, it offers an immersive visual experience for everything from streaming content to browsing the web. The Super Actua technology takes the display to a whole new level, providing unparalleled clarity and vividness, whether you're watching videos, playing games, or simply scrolling through your social media feeds. It's a testament to the careful engineering and innovation that Google have put into this phone. The display on the Pixel 8 Pro is genuinely a standout feature that elevates the overall user experience and is a big upgrade from last year's Pixel 7 Pro. The heart of the Pixel 8's remarkable performance lies in its brand new powerful G3 processor. This cutting-edge chip is at the forefront of mobile processing technology, designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds and exceptional efficiency. The Pixel 8 Pro's G3 processor plays a pivotal role in enabling its impressive AI features, thanks to its advanced neural processing capabilities. The G3's robust architecture allows it to handle complex AI tasks with ease, from image recognition to voice commands and more. This power underpins the device's AI-driven photography features, making it possible to capture stunning images and enhance them in real time. It also enhances voice recognition for voice assistants, ensuring quick and accurate responses to user commands. The chip's deep learning capabilities enable the phone to adapt and personalize its performance based on individual usage patterns, resulting in a more intuitive and responsive experience. In essence, the G3 processor inside the Pixel 8 Pro is the driving force behind its AI features, providing the necessary computing power and efficiency to make these features not just possible, but extremely capable. The synergy between hardware and AI technology is what sets the Pixel 8 Pro apart as a smart and high-performance device. Get subscribed to see the full review where I discuss whether the new G3 chip really does live up to the hype over the coming weeks. The camera system on the Google Pixel 8 Pro really is best in class, boasting a set of impressive specifications that promise to elevate your photography experience to new heights. At the forefront is the remarkable 50 megapixel main camera, which excels in capturing stunning levels of detail, allowing for vibrant and lifelike images that pop with clarity. Accompanying this, the 48 megapixel ultra wide camera with an enhanced macro focus capability enables you to explore creative angles and get up close for intricate shots, making your macro photography truly exceptional. The 48 megapixel telephoto camera offers the Pixel's best zoom capability yet, ensuring that you can capture distant subjects with incredible clarity and precision, whether you're taking scenic shots or focusing on distant details. Even the front camera on the Pixel 8 Pro with its 10.5 megapixel sensor is optimized for razor sharp selfies. You'll be able to capture your best self-portraits ever with the added advantage of Google's advanced image processing software for flawless results. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera system represents a significant leap in mobile photography, offering an impressive array of lenses and sensors that cater to a wide range of photography styles and preferences, regardless of whether you're an enthusiast or a professional. The main question left to answer in my full review is, will this all be enough for the Pixel to surpass the camera system on other flagship smartphones, or will devices like the iPhone 15 Pro Max still have a slight edge? Now, the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes packed with exciting new features that promise to redefine your photography experience. And one standout feature is the Magic Editor in Google Photos, which empowers you to add custom edits and studio quality enhancements to your photos. This tool allows you to take control of your photography like never before, enhancing lighting, background, and even moving subjects within the frame with just a few taps. Another remarkable addition is Pixel's Best Take, a feature designed to ensure you capture the perfect shot every time. If someone in your group blinks or looks away, Pixel's Best Take intelligently combines similar photos in a single flawless picture where everyone looks their best. This feature is going to be a lifesaver for group photos and candid shots, as it guarantees that you'll never miss a perfect moment. The Google Pixel 8 Pro's new features cater to both seasoned photographers and casual users, promising to deliver exceptional and polished photos with ease. The Pixel also introduces Audio Magic Eraser, which harnesses the power of Google's advanced AI technology to revolutionize audio quality in your recordings. This feature is designed to minimize distracting background noises such as the rumble of cars or gusts of wind, effectively isolating and enhancing the sounds you want to capture. Whether you're recording a special moment, conducting an interview, or capturing outdoor scenes, Audio Magic Eraser ensures that your audio is clear and free from unwanted disturbances. Google have also continued working on their call screen feature, which takes your call management to a new level. With the help of the Google Assistant, this feature goes above and beyond in the realm of spam call detection. It can now discern and filter out a broader range of spam calls, sparing you from the annoyance of unwanted interruptions. For other incoming calls, Call Screen offers a remarkable benefit. It not only identifies the caller but also provides information on why they are calling. This helps you decide whether the call is worth answering, ensuring that you can prioritize your time and respond to the most important calls promptly. Whether you're expecting an important business call or just wanting to avoid telemarketers, Call Screen on the Google Pixel 8 Pro empowers you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your phone calls, making it a standout feature and one of my personal favorite features on the Pixel. The Google Pixel 8 Pro's combination of cutting-edge features and Google Assistant results in a smartphone that's exceptionally smart. Innovative features such as Magic Magic Editor, Pixel's Best Take, Audio Magic Eraser and Call Screen work together seamlessly to enhance your photography, audio and call management. And the Google Assistant ties it all together, adapting to your needs and streamlining daily tasks through advanced AI, making the Pixel 8 Pro one of the smartest, if not the smartest, smartphone on the market. Now, the last thing worth mentioning in this video is probably the most random thing I've seen Google do, adding the ability to measure the temperature of objects. I have no idea whether this is going to be useful for me, only time will tell, but it is still undeniably intriguing. The exclusive feature, available only on the Pixel 8 Pro, lets you scan and check the temperature of items like cooking pans or beverages. It's a cool addition that could come in handy in a variety of situations, even if you haven't quite figured out all the practical applications just yet. It's a testament to the device's versatility, and who knows, you might find it surprisingly useful from time to time. Overall, the Google Pixel 8 Pro represents a remarkable leap forward in smartphone technology with standout features across the board. Its camera system, boasting a 50 megapixel main camera and advanced AI features like Magic Editor and Pixel's Best Take, ensures you capture stunning photos and videos effortlessly. The design is sleek and well crafted, with a stunning porcelain finish that's as stylish as it is durable. The device's new 6.7-inch Super Actua Display is incredibly bright and vivid, making all your visual experiences truly exceptional. It's not only the most elegantly designed and intelligent Pixel yet, but also one of the best Android devices available, deserving serious consideration for both Android enthusiasts and potential iPhone switchers. If you're feeling like being really awesome, then hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for the upcoming in-depth review to delve even deeper into the Pixel 8 Pro's capabilities. For now though, we'll just have to wait and see how the Pixel 8 Pro holds up over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.